talking. He's like making I guess a I don't know how to say it. Like a speech. Okay, that's it. You're stuck in a game.
This person is latching on to me somehow.
You're playing the weirdest game I've ever seen in my life. And I make the weirdest sounds. Don't go away, recording, please. I love you. But sometimes I hate you. Still, I love you.
I'm flying. There's someone latched onto my neck.
I run so fast.
Where are you?
In lava. And now I'm spawning. I'm like a really dark blue bird. I'm gonna be sitting in a nest. Or at least trying to. Come down, look for nests. I'll be in a nest.
Oh, sorry.
Hi.
Yeah, that's what I can do.
Yes, I'm recording.
I can dance.
And now I'm grabbing onto your neck and dragging you. Oh! Yeah!
She's flying!
You're. Wait, I'm gonna try jumping on you and see if that works. Kinda works. I'm bringing you over here with me. My next. What would you think?
I can take my booty at you, but it won't do anything.
Wait, ungrab your neck. How do I do that? Okay. Wait, what is this? Worm!
Hey, watch me shake my booty.
I run so fast, it's unbelievable.
Okay, we just need
Oops, I farted. Oops, I'm sorry, everybody.
We just need to end the recording.
Thank you for watching. This was a stupid, dumb little...
Wait.
What?
Come back.
I literally don't know where you are.
We're about to end the video. I really hope you enjoyed this little game.
I found it.
Really cute game. I'm gonna have to end the recording because I can't. It's been trying to record for over 10 minutes.
There's so many...
Sacrifice! Like I was saying, when my sister, so Ruby is, we're out of ideas. Other than 2 new Funny Moments videos that are going to come out, we have no idea what we're going to do. So, if there's a game that you want us to play, comment below what it is. So yeah, bye.